Hi, in this video I will tell my travel to Paipa and Villa de Leyva, Boyacá, and my first communion. So, I remember when I was 6 years old. It was in 1997. I will talk about my travel to Paipa and Villa de Leyva in Boyacá. I went there with my grandparents and my aunt. My grandfather drove the car. It took us 14 hours approximately. We arrived at night and we entered a hotel beautiful and comfortable. The next day, we ate a great breakfast. Then we went to the village church. The next day we went to the thermal waters and with the cold weather we had a great time. The next day we went to Villa de Leyva. As soon as we arrived to the village, we stayed into the hotel. Here we stayed other days more. In the hotel, my aunt taught me to swim in the pool. It was an amazing experience. My first communion. It was in 2001. I got up at 8 a.m. The last night I watched the dress and I was very happy because I had never dressed clothes with coat and tie. I put on the dress and I see me very well. I take my breakfast with many anxiety. I arrived to the church at 9:40 a.m. approximately. And something strange happened. I had grey pants and grey coat. The other children dressed black pants and black coat. When it was time to receive the first communion during the mass, the priest soaked the host a little into the wine, and it liked me very much. After the mass, I went with my family to a very nice restaurant to lunch. I remember I ate trout with shrimp. It was very delicious. Definitely, it was a great day. Thanks.